All right, so sine of 7 pi over 6, that is down here in this quadrant. Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2, so that's equal to negative 1/2. So I'm thinking hard about this one because the sine inverse and the sine, algebraically they should undo each other. That's what an inverse is, right? An inverse undoes its inverse, so sine inverse should undo sine. Excuse me, and just leave us with 7 pi over 6. But if we actually do this out, sine of 7 pi over 6 is 1/2. So we get negative 1/2. So we get sine inverse of negative 1/2. But then arcsine, its range is only from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So we're over here. And then so negative 1/2 is going to be down here. So then the angle we get is actually going to be 11 pi over 6, our final answer. So that one's a little confusing because, again, the sine inverse and the sine should undo each other algebraically. But this has to do with the range of arcsine being restricted. So sine of 7 pi over 6 gives us negative 1/2. And then sine inverse of negative 1/2 is only over here, which puts us down here at 11 pi over 6. That's the final answer. Okay, tangent of 3 pi over 4. We'll draw our unit circle to help us out again. 3 pi over 4 is up here, where tangent is negative. All students take calculus, so up here, only sine is positive. So we get cosine inverse of negative 1. And again, that's just because sine of 3 pi over 4 over cosine of 3 pi over 4 is just 1. And in this case, negative 1 because we're over in this quadrant. So then cosine inverse of negative 1, well, arc cosine's range goes from 0 to pi. And at pi is where cosine is negative 1. So our final answer to this is just pi. That is where cosine is negative 1. All right, last one, sine of 2 pi over 3. That's up here. It's going to be positive root 3 over 2. Again, just unit circle values, so we get arc cosine of positive root 3 over 2. All right, and then we need to figure out where cosine is root 3 over 2. And again, arc cosine's range is from 0 to pi. And cosine is positive only in this quadrant, in this case. So then this is going to happen at pi over 6. Final answer, pi over 6. And these are all angles. Pi, 11 pi over 6. Oh, and I just remembered something, pi over 6. So this 11 pi over 6 that we have here, right, if we want this to actually be included in the range of arc sine, we have to make it negative pi over 6. Negative pi over 6. Okay, that's it.